brake job on a 2008 Honda Fit.
Okay, so these are the new brake pads. So we use this stop squealer. It's from BG. So it quiets nosy brakes. So we're gonna go ahead and all over. After we add some to all brake pads, we let it dry. Once it dries, we add a second coat. So it's gonna be the first coat. Okay, so we're using a 12mm to take off the caliper bolt underneath. Okay. So sometimes it spins, but it spins because there's a nut right here that you have to hold. So you can use either the right wrench or just hold it with some pliers. There we go. So after you do that, you just pop out the caliper and then you just slide it from the other side. There we go. You want to hang it. Take off the hardware. So I have these two little returner clips. And take out the brake pads. So after you do that, take out these two bolts. They're 14. 17. So there's one, and the top one. Make sure you hold the caliper so it won't fall. Okay. And then after, remove the rotor. So there's these two Phillips screwdrivers. So the way you take it out with the impact gun and with this Phillips. One. No, it wants to strip. So it should come out. There we go. Surface. So I use this brush right here as an adapter. Alright, we're gonna put our second layer. Same thing all over the pad.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so here's our new rotor. We want to make sure it's the right rotor, so we'll measure it side by side. So right there's good. There, that's good. Okay. Alright, so we're installing our rotors. Make sure the two Phillips screws align with each other. There we go. And then we're going to install the screws. So this helps to hold the rotors in place. Okay. So next we're gonna clean the bracket and put new hardware. I get a little wire brush to clean the edges. Hardware. We're going to open it. Make sure you kind of match it. Sometimes they're a little bit different. So after we confirm it fits, go ahead and pop it back into place. One side to the other side. That looks pretty. Go. Okay, after we're gonna lubricate our slide pin. And grab a rag, clean out the dirty grease. I like to put it in, turn it a little bit, try to grab the other as much as possible. So to do that, I'm going to re-grease it. And then install it back in. So you want to make sure the boot gets in that little groove with the slide pin. So push all the way down, and then it should pop up like that.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and install the bracket. So next we're gonna go ahead and push back the piston. So put that here. Grab my tool. Push back the piston. Okay. So after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the other slide pin. Same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and grease it with new grease. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and install our new brake pads. So what I like to do is I like to add a little bit of grease on the edges, very little. go ahead and install them. Install it back.
Okay.
Now we're gonna start retainer clips. Okay. After that, we're gonna install our caliper. So I'm gonna go in here first, slide it, and it should go down. Like that. Okay. And then after, we're gonna install our bottom bolt.